Welcome back. I hope you had a nice break because we still have a lot of work to do. So earlier today, we had to listen to a passage about the weather, and I explained to you some of the words that are used in this passage. How to talk about the weather being hot, being cold, being cool, warm, and also we talked about the word temperature. And we said that high temperature means, what does it mean, Sarah? Yes, high temperature means hot weather. And low temperature means, James? That's right, it means cold weather. Now, I want you all to try to write about your own city. Maybe not your own city, maybe your favorite city, somewhere that you have visited before, a foreign city maybe. I want you to talk about this place and talk about the weather in that place. Of course, we're going to be using some of the words that we discussed earlier. I will repeat those words in case some of you missed again, and we will have the listening passage again. So we will listen again before you start writing. So the words are sunny, windy, hot, cold, high temperature, low temperature, and finally, we have the word freezing. Very cold. So, right now I'm going to play the recording. You'll listen carefully. And then you will start writing a little bit about your favorite city, because we will have a discussion at the end. All of us are going to sit in a circle and we will talk about our favorite or discuss our favorite weather in our favorite city. You ready? Okay.
Report 1. Good morning, Kali. This is your English language weather forecast for today. The weather is great today, if you like it hot. The temperature right now is 35 degrees, and it's nice and sunny. Report 2.
Hello from Madrid in the heart of Spain. Today's weather is a nice and warm 30 degrees, but it's a little windy this morning, so take a light sweater with you. Tune in again this afternoon for your Madrid weather update.
Report 3. This is Tim Sellers with today's Seoul weather report. The weather in Seoul is unusually cool for this time of the year. The temperature is 10 degrees, but it's sunny. Report 4.
Good afternoon from Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. This is your 2 o'clock weather report. It's a hot and uncomfortable 33 degrees at this hour in Dubai, and it's raining.
Report 5.
Hello again. Michaela Soros here with today's Montreal weather. The weather every day this week is cold. It's snowing hard right now, and the temperature is a cold 1 degree. A tip for Montrealers, don't drive today. We suggest public transportation, and reports are that trains and buses are running normally.
Okay, so now we listened to the recording. I hope everything was clear and everything was understood. I will give you now about 5 minutes to write about your favorite city so we can start having the discussion together. Okay? All right. So, time's up. Now we can start talking about our favorite cities and the weather in those cities. So, I would like Sarah here and Angela to talk together to maybe try to discuss or like have a conversation about their favorite weather or their favorite in their favorite cities. So you can start. Very good. Okay. So Sarah says that her favorite city is Napoli, and it's a city that is cool. Well, maybe it's cool only like when you visit it, right? Back then, maybe they have four seasons, but generally, yes, Napoli is a cool city. And she said that it's usually sunny. She also said that sometimes it's rainy, but it's really cool, and it's not windy at all. So the weather is always calm and nice. Very good. And also Angela, you told her about Moscow. It's really cold over there. But you talked about the summer in Moscow, which is surprisingly hot. You said that the weather in Moscow during the summer is really hot, and the temperature can go up to 30 or 35 degrees. That was very nice, very new information for all of us. Thank you very much. Okay. Now we have Mike and James. You will have your own discussion also about the cities that you have chosen to write about. So you can start, and we're all listening. Okay, very good. So, in their conversation, Mike and James, first we have James, who talked about Japan, and he said that Japan has a very cool weather. You can see all 4 seasons clearly. Usually in winter it's really cold, but the summer is also really hot, and the temperature is high. Now, Mike talked about England, and he talked about London specifically, and he said that the weather over there is cloudy almost all the time, right? And you said that it's also cold, so the temperature is pretty low, right? Very nice.